Okay, we're back. We've got our stepper motors in. Check the voltage on the lights and they seem to be working. I am not going to change out any light bulbs until I know for sure I need them. Now it's time to put it back together, the instrument panel. Put it right here. Kind of flip this. And get my cable in. Get this cable in. Let's see here. Get over here. And let's see if we can get this in here. Snaps right in. Make sure that's in. Now, we gotta get everything aligned. I'm gonna go ahead and stick our needles in. Clean this off, make sure it's clean. Put this under here. This tab has got to line up. Snaps in. This tab is lined in there. Right here. Have to make sure that tab's lined up. Everything's snapping in. These all snapping in. This is snapping in. This is snapping in. And that lines up our pins for our needles. And now we got to put our needles in. Okay, so we got to move this guy right here. And we make sure that is lined up. That looks pretty good. Get up on that. So we just want to make sure that's lined up good. And then we push it in. Then we'll move on to this guy. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting this in very lightly until I figure out where the stop is. All right. Next is this guy. Looking good there. I think we're ready for the top bezel. Don't forget this guy. Gotta stick him in there. Yeah. Now, then we just place this over this. Line it up. Then we snap these guys. There we go. Snap a doodle.